In a latest development in the Delhi liquor policy scam case, a 3-day CBI custody of Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal ends today. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal was arrested by the central agency in connection with the Delhi liquor policy scam case on Wednesday. Earlier, CBI had claimed Arvind Kejriwal implicated Manish Sisodia, but Arvind Kejriwal denied such allegations and claimed innocence. The CBI had sought 5 days of remand but was granted 3 after claiming that Kejriwal's custody was necessary to confront him with evidence and documents in the case. It also alleged that Arvind Kejriwal had implicated former Delhi Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia, attributing the idea of privatization to him. Shubh Rana on the telecast with me. Shubh, of course, information they're pouring at this point of time. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's, the remand ends today. If you could take our viewers through the latest, CBI custody ends today. If you could take our viewers through the developments that are coming in at this point of time.
Yes, definitely, because Arvind Kejriwal was granted a custody of 3 days by CBI, although CBI have demanded 5 days. But today, Arvind Kejriwal custody ends, and therefore he would be produced in the front of Rouse Avenue Court at 7 p.m. in the evening, where the matter will be again heard. And the sources are saying that CBI may extend the remand because there are certain documents which needs to be clarified, and also CBI has also claimed that Arvind Kejriwal has put forward Manish Sisodia's name in the matter. But since previously, when Arvind Kejriwal was appeared in the Rouse Avenue Court, thereby when CBI have said that Manish Sisodia's name is being taken by the Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, and thereby Arvind Kejriwal stood up and said that he have not taken name of Manish Sisodia. He is guilty. Manish Sisodia is guilty, and Aam Aadmi Party is also guilty. But today it would be interesting to know that what would be the CBI course of action, because the matter seems to be very long, and it's been months when Arvind Kejriwal is set behind Tihar jail. But Aam Aadmi Party have also been claiming since after 5 months there is Vidhan Sabha elections, and it is important because in Delhi, whenever any vote is casted in Vidhan Sabha, it is casted in the name of Arvind Kejriwal. But the absence of Arvind Kejriwal would surely hamper the elections. And today at 11:30, Aam Aadmi Party would protest against CBI, and they'll go to BJP for the BJP gherao against this CBI arrest. Yes, back to you.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.